Credit Repair Today review, usage experience. Welcome to this Credit Repair Today review, where I'll share insights into the features, benefits, and overall user experience with this credit repair service. For easy access, links to the product are available in the description below. Credit Repair Today is designed for individuals struggling with inaccurate or negative information on their credit reports, which can lead to denied credit applications, higher interest rates, or difficulty securing loans. This service is particularly helpful for those who want a simple, guided approach to repairing their credit without the hassle of handling disputes on their own. The process starts with a detailed credit report evaluation. Credit Repair Today examines your reports for errors, such as incorrect balances, outdated accounts, or unverifiable negative items. They then work on your behalf to dispute inaccuracies with the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to ensure that your credit report reflects accurate and fair information. One of the standout features is their quick turnaround time for initiating disputes, which ensures that you see progress promptly. Additionally, they provide regular updates and transparency throughout the process, so you're never left in the dark about the status of your disputes. Credit Repair Today also offers guidance on how to maintain a healthy credit score after the repair process is complete. Their team provides actionable advice on optimizing credit utilization, paying down debt strategically, and maintaining positive credit behaviors. This makes their service an excellent option for anyone who wants to not only fix their current credit issues, but also build a stronger financial future. In my experience, Credit Repair Today is user-friendly, efficient, and results-focused, making it ideal for people looking for professional assistance to address credit challenges quickly. Whether you're recovering from financial setbacks or preparing for major life milestones like buying a home or starting a business, this service offers valuable support. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started on improving your credit today.